Hey guys, so I used to own an XX70, but I lost it a while back. So recently I went on eBay to buy a new XX70 and I just got it in the mail a couple of days ago. So we're going to open this and see whether it works. So the skin doesn't look too good on this camera and it may need a reskin. So I'm going to open up the camera now and then we're going to see whether it works. First of all, the battery pack comes into the film that you buy and I have an old one, so I'm going to test it out and see whether it works. Looks like it works. So there's not enough light in my room when I'm testing this, and that's why it's lagging a bit. I have a bunch of old shots that I took, and I'm going to slide it into this battery pack, this film pack, and I'm going to see whether the roller works. So the roller works, everything's fine, and now we're just going to open up and look at the rollers. So there's a bit of dirt on the rollers, as you can see, the white color ink. So I'm going to clean that off. So I was helping a friend shoot a pre-wedding earlier on, and I took this opportunity to try out the XX70 on them. I mean, I haven't shot XX70 in a while, so made some errors along the way, definitely. And I'm gonna buy more film after this to shoot more. So we're in the studio with natural light, and it's a very nice setup here. So the first shot I took was pretty overexposed. So it takes 15 minutes for the film to develop. So I just put it in one corner and just let it develop. And I went back to it later and I noticed that it was pretty overexposed. So I had them redo the shot again. The second shot turned out much better than the first. Overall, I feel that there's a lot to be improved on the photos. It's highly unpredictable and the light changes. The light really affects the shots, as well as the temperature in Singapore. Because if it's too hot, you notice that the colors on the film is a bit reddish. So I try my best to actually keep it in my bag, keep it cool away from the light. So if you guys are in Singapore and if you want to get some Polaroid films, you can check out OK Brandon, because he sells Polaroid films and other films, and that's where I got my pack of film from. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks.